आप मुझे बताओ हाउ हैज़ spending so much time on road with your bike, riding for so many long years, how has it changed you personally?
Resilience is very, very important. Second thing is, as I said, you have to be self-dependent. Okay. If anything happens, you are the last buck there. Nothing moves. So, first and foremost, you must be able to have the capability of taking decisions. Taking decisions in life is a very important thing. And that is something which teaches you, is every minute you are taking a decision, either on navigation or whatever. So many things are happening over there. The buck is stopping with you. So you have to learn to take decisions. You go out and you meet people, all kinds of people, and invariably you will find that people are not bad, mostly. Okay, it humbles you at certain places. Yeah, a chai wala, or you're sitting in a dhaba and some strangers starts talking to you and maybe he likes your smile or whatever, but he offers you the chai free of cost. The dhaba wala says, "Saab, aap raat ko yahan so sakte ho." So you stop being judgmental about people. That's another very important aspect that comes out. So what happens? You get aware, you assess, okay, plan your move ahead. So like in riding, okay, you have a problem, you sort it out, and you have to move because you can't hold back there. Okay. So the whole thing is that you find solutions to every problem. So the other important thing that I have learned over the years is that every problem comes with a solution. We need to only find the solution. So I have used this in my day-to-day life also. If I have a problem, I say, sure, there's a solution to it. I only have to find it. So that is another very important aspect. If I'm walking on the streets today and the traffic, it doesn't hassle me anymore. Okay. Because you take it in the stride. You learn to let go certain things. Okay. Which is not going to help you otherwise. So things like decision making, things like not getting rattled at small things. If there's a problem, you're damn sure that, okay, you are going to get a solution to it because you have to have that confidence in yourself. Okay. So these are the aspects which help you during the ride.